Hey designers! Whether you're just starting out or already deep into UiUx, this video is going to be a goldmine for you. We're covering 25 UiUx rules that every designer should know, backed by practical examples and real-world logic. Grab your coffee, open Figma in the background, and let's get smarter with design. 1. Design for the user first. Don't design to show off. Design to solve user problems. Always start with user needs, not your favorite font. Rule 2. Clarity beats cleverness. Fancy wording or abstract icons might look cool, but they confuse users. Clear labels win every time. Rule 3. Don't reinvent basic patterns. Users expect things like the cart icon or back arrow. Stick to what people already understand. That's good UX. Rule 4. Visual hierarchy matters. Size, color, weight, spacing, use them to show users what to focus on first. Lead the eye. Rule 5. Consistency builds trust. Use consistent colors, button styles, icons, and tone. It makes users feel comfortable and in control. Rule 6. Accessibility is not optional. Contrast ratios, readable fonts, alt text, these are design basics, not extras. Design for all users. Rule 7. Every element should have a purpose. If it's not useful or meaningful, remove it. No extra icons, borders, or decorative buttons. Rule 8. Avoid placeholder text as labels. Never use gray placeholder text inside form fields as the only label. Users forget what to enter. Rule 9. Feedback is everything. Users need to know when something is loading, submitted, failed, or succeeded. Give instant feedback. Rule 10. Use spacing generously. White space isn't empty space. It helps readability, scannability, and focus. Less clutter equals more clarity. Rule 11. Prioritize mobile design. Most users are mobile first. So design for small screens first, then scale up to desktop. Rule 12. Navigation should feel obvious. Menus, CTAs, back buttons make them intuitive. If users are asking, "Where do I go next?" your UX failed. Rule 13. Design with real content, not lorem ipsum. Use actual headlines, real button labels, and realistic user data. It helps test the actual experience. Rule 14. Loading states reduce frustration. Skeleton screens, loading spinners, progress bars, these show users something is happening. Rule 15. Break complex tasks into steps. Multi-step forms, onboarding, or setup wizards should break things down. Step-by-step feels easier. So there you go, 25 solid UI UX rules that can make your design more usable, accessible, and